Hey, Joe here. Another quick tip for you. Our rig didn't come with any sort of way when you open the door to keep it open. A lot of times they have them where they have got the little hook where you open and then you can hook it so they keep the door from blowing shut. Ours has the tension hinges on it. Actually, you can kind of see them. So you're supposed to be able to open and it's supposed to stay there. But on real windy days, the door will still blow, either close or open and slam. So what I ended up doing is finding online is a magnetic door stop. So I stuck the one side on the door itself, as you can see here. Comes with a double-sided 3M tape to stick it on. And then I just swung the door open, stuck this adapter or the other end of it onto there. And when it swung over, I saw where it hit on the rig itself. And then I took off the 3M double-sided tape on the back of this and then stuck this onto the side of the camper. And actually it's held up really well. Make sure you do clean that area before you do use the 3M tape, sticky three-sided or two-sided tape, 3M two-sided tape, excuse me, and to make sure it makes a good stick. But then now we can open up the door and we open it all the way and it'll catch there and it'll stick with a magnet there. And even when it's real windy out here, we've had over 25-mile-an-hour winds. We've had the door open and the door stays open, no issue. It holds it really well. So yeah, the door stopper magnetic, I'll put a link in the description below where you can find one. But I just wanted to give you a little easy, quick tip way to prop your door open. Also, I thought this would come more handy than like the old school way, which I'll show you actually on the front of our rig. We have some, as you can see, there's one down there. There's one right here where this hook's on here. On our old rig, we had that style on the door, and I ended up breaking, because it was just plastic, the T portion on the door. I ended up snapping that off once or twice and having to replace it. So actually I like the magnet idea better, because even if you forget that you have it locked open, you just pull on the door and the magnet lets go and then you're able to close it, compared to having that T adapter, because then when you yank on it and you forget that that you locked it open, that you end up breaking it, because it's either plastic, or if you get the metal version, you can end up doing more damage, like ruining or pulling some of the door, or bending the door or something like that, or bending the clip. So I just like the magnet version better. It seems to hold up better, and if you forget that you had it locked open, it doesn't really matter, because you just push it open, catches with the magnet and stays there, and then when you close it, you just give it a little yank and comes right apart, and you don't have to worry about breaking anything since it's just a magnet. Worst case is the 3M tape lets go and then the whole thing just travels with it, and then you just have to replace the 3M tape portion. Or there is an option too that you can run a screw. When you go to stick it on, there's a hole on the back of there. We can run a single screw there, and same on the door to give it a little more strength if you want to hold it that way. But like I said, we've had good luck with the 3M tape. It's been on for over 6 months at this point on this rig, and it's been in high heat, in the 90s, almost 100 outside, and then also been down to the 20 degrees here where we're currently at. So it's been holding up really well. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.